All right, what's up, YouTube? I'll make this quick video right now, and we're gonna just summarize what are you seeing right now when you see a lot of things on your timeline or on, your Instagram. They're talking about the Brexit, they're talking about the UK, they're talking about the United Union, and the Brexit is just the UK, voting to leave the European Union, and that's where the votes were. I mean, it was a very, very tight vote. It was like 50, 51, 49 type of vote, and a lot of people were betting. The money side was towards the stay, and a lot of bets were the side to leave. So I know a lot of people lost a lot of money betting on, that they would stay. So this created a lot of chaos for the world markets. And Dow futures was down 700 points. I've never seen it, come down that low without something halting. So I was really scared that the market might get halted on the open, but ever since the open, the market has been up and, cut those gains. I mean, cut that loss in half, you can say. And what happened is the fear index started to shoot up because you know why? Because gold spiked up. And you know what happens when gold spikes up? The gold and fear index. Let me tell you, these are the stocks that you play when the market is down. These are the stocks you play when the dollar is down. So if you see the Dow Jones down 700 points or 500 or 200, 150 points, you can play the TVIX because you know why? You will always get a return. So the TVIX and the gold is just letting you know that the market's down and this is the safe way to go. And the question is going to arise, is it time to buy? Right now, I would suggest you wait and see where the dust settles because the market is almost down to 17 and 4. So I suggest you wait just a couple more minutes to see if you're going to keep getting declines, because that will kind of hurt you because you want to trade that stock, but when you buy it, you're going to start seeing a decline. So I suggest you actually wait before you place that buy order, because you might, squeeze in and get a couple shares, squeeze in and get that discount. So I suggest you wait and see what's going on, because the market is already down 500 points once again. It touched it was down 350, but now it's back in that 500 range. So I suggest you wait, put a hold on that. Also, when you dip buy these market dips, is you can make a lot of money because everything is discounted and everything is oversold. When I mean oversold is everybody's just selling just so they can get out because they see a lot of red going on. They just want to sell. In reality, that stock doesn't need to be oversold. So once you see stocks that are oversold, and I think there are indicators with your trading charts to let you know if the stock is oversold or if it's overbought. So I suggest you pay attention to those. So what I mean by sometimes, I really do mean sometimes, like very few chances. So when you see that the market is starting to get weaker going to the close, you might want to short it, get some quick profits, you know, on the open tomorrow, but make sure you do not short it going into the weekend because you don't know what could happen. So you might see a huge run or a rally going on, and you're stuck short in the market, and you're gonna come out with a loss. So I suggest you be very, very careful. That's why I say sometimes. So if I would have shorted, the market yesterday, I would have been banking. I know the TVIX is at 35% right now, 35%. So I was thinking about shorting I was thinking about shorting the market on, the fear, just off of the fear that people were creating. You could have made some money. That, it didn't have to be any news for you to make money. You buy on rumor, sell on news, and that is exactly what you could have did. Sell on the news that the Brexit was happening. The Brexit, the leave was happening. You could have sold on that news and cashed out on your profits, and you could have dip bought some more things. So that's all I have for you guys. If anything else comes up, I'm pretty much gonna make a video up on it. So see you guys later.